Hello everyone, my name is Evan Borelli. I am an instructor here at Mathnasium of Hamilton Mountain, and today I'm going to provide a quick instructional video regarding short division. Now you may have not heard of short division, but you've certainly heard of long division. You certainly know that long division is very long and tedious process. I'm going to show you a method we call short division, and it is compact, it is quick, it requires a prerequisite knowledge of the multiplication times tables, and multiplication fluency is definitely something that we have a great emphasis on here at Mathnasium. So the first example, I'm going to do two examples. The first example is 471 divided by 3. Now it is similar to long division. It starts off similar. The first question I'm going to ask myself is how many times does 3 go into 4? And 3 goes into 4 one time. And what we have to ask ourselves next is how much remains. So 3 goes into 4 once, and there is 1 remaining. And we put that 1 just beside the next number in our dividend. Here it's a 7. So the next step is where it kind of varies from long division. We're going to ask ourselves, how many times does 3 go into 17? Now I know 3 times 5 is 15. And so 3 can go into 17 5 times, and 2 remains. Now you can see I'm taking the difference between 17 and 15, which is 2. Final step, and you can see how quick this is going already. How many times does 3 go into 21? I know that 3 times 7 is 21. Therefore, 3 can go into 21 a nice even 7 times. So there we have it. That's the first example. 471 divided by 3, that's 157. Now the second example is a little bit larger. It is 8,053 divided by 9. The first question I'm going to ask myself, very similar start here. How many times does 9 go into 8? Now 9 is larger than 8, so it doesn't go in at all. So I'm going to ask myself, how many times can 9 go into 80? 9 can go into 80, a total of 8 times. 9 times 8 is 72. So that is a difference of 8. And I continue this process. I'm going to ask myself, how many times does 9 go into 85? And 9 can go into 85 9 times. And here there is a remainder of 4. Now one of my last steps is to say, how many times can 9 go into 43? I know that 9 times 4 is 36. And I can't go any more than that. So 9 can go into 43 a total of 4 times. Now here it's not even like in example 1. I'm going to have a final remainder. Here, the difference between 43 and 36 is 7. So I'm going to have a remainder of 7 in this problem, and that is my final answer. So I hope you enjoyed this instructional video. As you can see, it's not going to be a very long video because it is a very effective, efficient method of doing division. Thank you very much, and we'll say bye from Mathnasium for now.